This is the High Five Interchange in Dallas, one of the largest and tallest highway interchanges in the United States, rising nearly 12 stories high, with 5 levels of roads stacked above each other. Built to handle the growing traffic of a rapidly expanding city. Today, over 500,000 vehicles pass through here every single day. From the ground, it feels overwhelming. Endless lanes, constant movement, non-stop motion. But from above, everything changes. What looks like chaos becomes rhythm. Vehicles flow like streams, merging, splitting, moving with precision. This is not just a highway. This is engineering, movement, and design, all working together. Welcome to the High Five Interchange.